This is the Q18. It's a really attractive, nice, large screen fitness tracker, and it's only 20 bucks or less. You can track your steps, your distance traveled, and calories burned on this large icon device. You can go into a special fitness area that when you activate it will let you track all of those parameters against time. You can pause it and you can leave it. When you do, that data is stored on the device that you can then send it over to your phone with the appropriate tethering app running. You also have last night's sleep time on this one, a place to get your heart rate with nice bright digits, and blood pressure readings. It has a little stopwatch built into it and the ability to shut it down to save the power on it, but you get a great long life with it anyway. Not only that, this nice Tpu Band is actually removable. And this is how you charge it. Just plug that into your standard port and charge it up. That's it. It's a really simple little band, but very efficient for $20. The Q18. Check it out.